Кто такой? Документы!
Ambush training in a forest near Bucha. These civilian volunteers recently joined Ukraine's territorial defense.
Захватували російських військових.
Today, our training was capturing Russian soldiers and taking by storm Russian military vehicles.
Маневр був
Surprising the Russians from behind in order to neutralize their commanders has proven effective so far. The training required for this, however, had to be drastically cut short.
За великим лаштунком
In general, normal education takes about 2 to 3 months. But we don't have so much time, and that's why we had to reduce it, so that the group will be ready in 4 weeks.
група була готова за 4 тижні.
Nevertheless, the country's military is optimistic.
І якраз добровольці, які є, починають...
All volunteers, those without experience and those with experience, such as veterans, they'll take their old uniforms and go defend their community, their oblast, their motherland. So if needed, there will be more than 1 million.
свою батьківщину. Тому потреба буде навіть і більше мільйона буде бійців.
Despite the lack of official training, the Ukrainian army is certainly not lacking one thing: combat experience. And those who are just enlisting now will probably get it sooner rather than later.